Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this short video lecture I will guide you for quantity of brick masonry with the help of this Excel sheet. Guys, in this video lecture I will guide you how to calculate quantity of bricks, cement and sand. Also cost of these materials in the year of 2021. So let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like. Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this video lecture I will guide you for quantity of brick masonry with the help of this Excel sheet. Guys, in this video lecture I will guide you how to calculate quantity of bricks, cement and sand. Also cost of these materials in the year of 2021. So let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. Guys, you can see in first column we have serial number, and second description, and third quantity, and fourth unit. Suppose proportion of mortar is 1:3, where 1 part is cement, 3 parts are sand for binding brick masonry. Guys, now suppose I have the volume of brick masonry 15 cubic meter. So what should be the dry mortar volume with frog, filling, wastage, etc. So guys, you can see we required 5.25 volume of mortar for 15 cubic meter brick masonry wall. So how we can get this video? 5.25 volume of mortar. Guys, you can see the formula is equal C5, where C5 is volume of brick masonry, which is 15. Multiply 35 divide by 100, because we are using 35% mortar. So therefore you will get the value 5.25 cubic meter. So now how to calculate volume of cement required for 15 cubic meter brick masonry wall? So guys, you can see we required 1.3125 cubic meter volume of mortar. How you can get this volume? Guys, you can see the formula is equal C4 divided by 4 multiply C6. What is C4? C4 is part of cement, 1 part of cement, divided by sum of ratio, which is 4. So 1 plus 3 is equal 4 multiply C6, where C6 is the dry volume of mortar, which is 35%. Okay, so therefore when you enter this you will get the volume of cement 1.3125 cubic meter. So now let me convert it to the cement bags. How many cement bags are required for this brick wall? So we required 38 cement numbers, okay, are bags. So how we can get this value? 38 cement bags. Guys, you can see the formula is equal round up. So we will not calculate after point, okay, not 38.6 or 38.4, because cement bags are in exact numbers, okay. So therefore round up into C7, where C7 is the volume of cement, divide by volume of cement bag, which is 0.035 and comma 0. Then we will not calculate after point, okay. So guys, when you enter this, so we required 38 cement bags, which unit is numbers. Now how to calculate volume of sand? Guys, you can see the volume of sand is required 3.9375 cubic meter. How you can get this volume? Guys, you can see the formula is equal D4, where D4 is 3 parts sand divided by sum of ratio, which is 4. So 1 plus 3 is equal 4 into or multiply C6, where C6 is the dry volume of mortar. So you will get the value or volume 3.9375. So now how many bricks are required for 15 cubic meter wall? So guys, you can see we required 7,500 numbers. How you will get numbers of bricks? So guys, you can see the formula is equal C5, where C5 is the volume of bricks divided by standard size of brick. So guys, the length is 0.25 meter or 20 centimeter into 10 centimeter. So convert it to the meter. 0.1 into 10 centimeter, which is 0.1 meter. So when you enter this, you will get the total numbers of bricks, which is 7,500 numbers. Now assuming 5% wastage of bricks, so which we required 375. How you will get this value? Guys, you can see the formula. 5%, so 5 divided by 100 into 7,500, which is C11. When you enter this, you will get the numbers 375 bricks, extra bricks, or 5% wastage of bricks, okay, or assuming 5%. So the total numbers of bricks required for this wall, 7,875 numbers, where you can get the value from this formula is equal C11, which is total numbers of bricks plus 5%, which is 375, C11, C12. So guys, when you enter this, you will get the total numbers of bricks. Now let me find the cost of these materials. So guys, you can see in the description, we will find the total cost of cement, sand and bricks. So guys, you can see we required 38 cement bags. Guys, you can see here the cement bags we required 38. So we have numbers and unit. So per cement bag price or rate is 550 rupees. So the total cost of cement is 20,900 rupees. Now come to the sand. So the sand volume is 3.975 or here 3.9375. 3.9375. Okay. So here guys, the rate of 1 cubic meter sand is 1400 rupees. So the total cost of sand is 5,512.5 rupees. Now guys, bricks. The total numbers of bricks are required 7,875 numbers. So per brick rate is 9 rupees. So the total cost of bricks are 70,875 rupees. So the total cost of these materials are 76,387 rupees, where you will get this value from this formula is equal sum into F19 into F20. You will get the total cost of these materials. So guys, this is the topic, how to calculate quantity of brick masonry, especially its main materials, bricks, cement and sand. Hope this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.